Today, we're going to talk about the hunchback, the humpback, the Quasimodo. Exactly what is a hunchback, and how do you know when you've fallen into that category? So technically, the hunchback is when you have the shoulder girdle or the shoulders that, instead of sitting straight, start to hunch forward. And that forward hunching lifts the shoulders up. It shortens the neck. It distorts the natural curve of the neck. So your neck has a little curve back there. It should. So your neck curve is going to be flattened forward or rounded forward. When you get really severe hunchback, your chin goes forward and then down. Yeah. And your shoulder blades, instead of sitting straight, are now slid forward. So that creates a sinking of the sternum. It changes and it distorts the angle of your humeral or your arm bone, so it doesn't sit in its position correctly. It starts to deviate, and then it changes the alignment of your shoulder, your neck, your elbows, your wrists, and all down the chain of bones down the spine. So you start to get that rounding or that hunchback, and it starts to happen gradual. So it's important that you keep watching for that. So here's a quick little exercise that you can do if you want to prevent that. Squeeze your stomach, stand with your feet spaced the distance of your hips, and press your palms back. Make sure that your chin is lifted, and start to pump your arms short and quick behind you. As you pump your hands, keep your palms facing back. Feel the space between your shoulder and your ear as long as you can, and keep your chin pointed forward. So you can even do this while you're seated at your desk. If you're seated for a long time, try to do 20 seconds straight without rest, and then soften. So that releases some of the muscles that tend to hunch you forward. This is Pilates Master Nikki, and I'll see you in class.